All right, welcome. This is the Decarb Group's intro video on the concrete and slash clay printer. We're just going to be running over a few of the ground level information things. Don't mind me, I'm going to be looking off of notes on my phone, but yeah. Okay, so this is the whole thing. You can print upward of 4 feet in height. This is completely adjustable, and here are your printing plates. These printing plates, we have multiple of them, so if you have multiple prints that you want to get done, make sure that you do keep your eye on it. It will print over, but you can upload multiple files on this and it will print pretty much in succession. Um, yeah, these are relatively light, so don't worry, you won't hurt anything when you're moving it, but just keep an eye on it. You can also download Octoprint so that you can keep an eye on it remotely. There should be a camera inside of it so that you can keep track of it. So if you're away at classes and you need someone maybe to pick up the print, you can do that effectively. Now, how do you upload a file to this massive machine? Well, there is an SD card port where you can upload any STL.G code or .obj files onto it. We do, I believe, have a code for Simplify 3D. If not, then there are splicing platforms that you will need to put your 3D modeling files into so that the machine can read the files effectively. It does work on a layer system, so the more layers you have, the higher the resolution. The resolution of this printer is about 0.5 millimeters to 5 millimeters, so anything under that range or over that range, you're going to get a little bit lesser quality or it's not going to be able to print it correctly. So make sure you keep that in mind. While you're printing, if you need to stop at any time, you can press this yellow button right here to pause it. This red button stops the process immediately. So please make sure that you pause your print with the yellow button. It would suck to have to go through the entire process again because you do the end button. You can also upload files using the USB-A port plugged directly right into your computer. Again, this whole process is relatively simple. You can also go over the network and do it over the Wi-Fi. There is a touch screen interface where you'll be able to see some of the different files that you're looking to upload. So it should be a relatively simple process. Now, in order for this thing to work, you do need to use a concrete or a mortar of zero slump. So anything with a higher slump than that, it will pour out all over the table and you won't be able to get proper print. So please make sure that you check that first. Also, behind here, we have the turn on button. Make sure that it's plugged in as always. And of course, make sure that before you begin printing, you put in the compressed air tanks. If you do not, then it is not able to actually effectively push anything out of the printer or of the nozzle. So yeah, thank you.